Hey guys, it's Nitin here with the Ultimate Book Editor, and I am so excited to tell you that I've finally went ahead and incorporated a grammar checker within the Ultimate Book Editor. So if you take a look, we've got a whole bunch of features here where we can do proofreading, we can check the spelling, there's a thesaurus here, and it will handle over 85 plus languages. Okay, but there was the grammar checker which was missing. Now, I have integrated with an existing grammar checker, which is an online service. And in this video, I want to show you how simple it is to use. Okay, so here we are in Ultimate eBook Editor, and I've just loaded up a document, and you can see that it's got several pages. Okay, it's got 3 pages. So the way the grammar checker works is that you need to select your page, and then it will check the grammar on that one page. Okay, and the reason for that is because the grammar checking service has a limit on the number of characters that can be checked at any one time. So I've limited it to 1 page at a time, and I think that's fairly convenient. I don't think it's a huge limitation. Most people will probably want to fix the grammar 1 page at a time anyway. So all you need to do is basically put your cursor on the current page, and here you don't need to say current page, but you can do if you want. But put your cursor on the current page, and then what we want to do is let's just say, sorry again, I'm going to put it on my current page, okay, which is page 2. Okay, this is page 2, and then I'm going to click on grammar checker. Okay, so it's going to go, and you need to be online, connected to the internet to use this feature. Okay, so you can see here that we're actually checking the grammar on the first page, which I didn't want to do. So let me just go to the second page, and I'm going to go rescan, and it's going to go, and hopefully it will. Okay, so it's done it on the second page. That's what I wanted to do. Now, you can see some are in pink and some are in yellow. So the ones in yellow are typos or spelling mistakes, and the ones in pink are grammatical. So let's click on the first one, right? And you will see this dialog pop up. And here it tells you, it gives you a little bit of information here at the top. It says, this sentence does not start with an uppercase. So here is the suggestion. Now you can, if you want to take the suggestion, you can click on it and click apply, or you can double click this. So I'm just going to go and double click, and you can see here that it corrected that. All right. And let's look at this one. Now you can keep this dialog up, but if you click on the next one, you can see that it's a possible spelling mistake found, and these are the suggestions. So if that's a spelling mistake, then you can select one of these, double click, or you can click apply and it will apply. Let's go to Guy and. Okay, so it's saying here that, what's it telling us? It's saying use a comma before and if it connects to the independent clauses unless they are closely connected in short. So it's suggesting that we put Guy with a comma and then the word and. So once again, I'll select it, and this time I'll click apply, and watch what happens here. It puts the comma in there. Okay, so it's just as easy as that. And then you can go one by one, and if you want to make these changes, you can just click on it, and here it says this word is normally spelled as one word, and this is what it recommends. So if I double click, it makes it into one word, and that's it. And you can see here, but the path of L with a space last resistance. So it's saying that you've got some issue here, and I know that it's basically because there is a space between L and AST. So I can fix that, and I can keep going. And then when I want to do the third page, I'll click on the third page, I'll click on scan, and then it will do the third page, right? So the second page has been cleared of all the issues, and now you can see the third page. So here, enthusiasm, it's saying you need a capital, so I'll do that, and then you can keep going, right? So this is the grammar checker. Now the grammar service I'm using is from a website called grammarbot.io, and here is the website grammarbot. It's at grammarbot.io. Okay, and this website allows an individual to use the service for free, and you can check up to 250 times per day. Okay, now um, the ultimate book editor, if I go back here, um, it uses a built-in API key, which is my own, and that's built into the application. Now you can actually get your own API key if you wish to. Like, it's not mandatory that you do, but maybe in the future, what will happen is if there's too many Ultimate Book Editor users using this grammar at the same time, then the 250 quota check may get run out. If that happens, then you can always go get your own free API key, and I'll show you how to do that. But once you get that key, you can go to File, Preferences, and then under the Grammar tab, you can put your key in here. Okay, and once you do that, then you will get your own 250 checks free per day. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. You go to the browser, and then you go to https www.grammarbot.io. You go to that site, and then you click on this 3-minute quick start, and then scroll down where it says get an API key. Okay, you need to click on this link here, and then you can type in your email, and then you can just type in author editor application or something like that, right? And then you can click submit, and right away you will get your registration is complete. Your API key is this. So you can take this API key, copy it, go back to this preferences dialog, and then right click and paste, and then you can save and close. Okay, so once you do that, every time you make a call now, click on scan, it's going to use that API key. Okay, so like I said, you don't have to do this, but if you wish to do that, then you want to get your own API key, then you can do. If not, it's going to use the built-in API key, and like I said, if there's many people using it, then that API key might run out for you. And if that's the case, then go and get your own API key. You can put that in, and then from then on, at least you're using your own code. All right, so that's all I have. I hope you find this feature useful, and we'll see you in the next video.